Hello, my name is Glenn Tonser, and I'm a faculty member in the Department of Agricultural Economics at Kansas State University. The purpose of this short video is to call your attention to some of the decision tools with a specific focus on livestock-oriented decision tools that we have on our AgManager website. Let's start by going to our main webpage. It is AgManager.info. This is what the homepage currently looks like, and I'd like to call your attention first to the table of contents of main items on how this website is organized on the left-hand side. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to go to the last item here above the dashes called Decision Tools. When you click on that, that brings up a Decision Tools page. Across the top, you'll see there's decision tools for different categories. We're going to look at the livestock category, but before I click on this, I want to call your attention to a more general resource that's useful for this discussion and other efforts that use Microsoft Excel, and that is the tips for using Excel spreadsheets. Rich Llewellyn and Kevin Duvetter pulled this together. That's a nice overview of some tips on how to make best use of Excel, some nice tricks and so forth. So what I'm going to do is click on the livestock button here to look at decision tools we have for the livestock industry. That takes us down on that same web page down to the livestock section. Now we have lots of different decision aids that are designed to help producers guide, in this case, livestock management decisions. And you'll see a lot of these have been designed by my collaborator Kevin Duvetter and various collaborators throughout. There's an Excel sheet that you can download on each of these. Several of these also have a PDF document that gives instructions or background information, and then some actually have a web dashboard alternative to the Excel sheet. So it depends on what exact issue we're looking at. And I'll also call your attention to the fact that we have several for the beef cattle industry, some for the dairy industry, and some for the swine industry. Each of these spreadsheets works a little bit differently, but there's also a common design to them, the nomenclature, the color codings used, and so forth. There's usually a template that shows you a representative situation, and then it allows it to be individually tailored. For the sake of time, I'm not going to walk through a specific example here. Rather, I'm simply hoping to have called your attention to these decision tools, encourage you to look into them. The best way to get your arms around these is to open them, play with them, and then contact either myself or the lead authors on these decision tools to ask questions and clarifications. I hope you found this tutorial and raising awareness of these decision tools useful. Have a good day.